Hey Choc Nation, it's your girl Choc and I am back with another video. It is day 6 of Vlogtober, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I remove my press-on nails. A few of my subscribers asked me how I remove my press-on nails, so I wanted to do an updated video on that, so let's get into it. Okay, Choc Nation, so I'm not going to hold y'all too long because this process is so simple and easy. So you're going to need an oil of your choice. I like to use grapeseed oil or either olive oil, a bowl of warm water, and a cuticle pusher. Next, you're going to put about a tablespoon of oil into the water, and I'm just going to take my cuticle pusher and mix that oil around with the water. And just to give you guys a quick update, as you can see, the nails are still on. They still looking good. They have not lifted. I haven't bent or broken any of them. They haven't chipped. So that top coat and that base coat combination on top of that good old glue definitely held these nails together for 6 days. But now it's time to get into another set. I gotta keep the content coming for y'all. So we are going to soak these nails for a good maybe I want to say 2 minutes or so. And I'm just going to start by using my nail from my left hand to kind of lift the nail just a little bit before I go in with the cuticle pusher. And sometimes that's just enough. It'll come right off with you just sliding your nails up under the press on, and you won't even need to use the cuticle pusher. See how easy that was? The nails literally just slide right off. However, my middle finger is always so tough to get off, so I did end up grabbing the cuticle pusher and just kind of gently lifting the nail from around my cuticle area, making sure I'm not going too hard because I don't want to, hurt myself. But yeah, just gently lift the nail from your nail bed with the cuticle pusher. Do not go rough or hard because you don't want to ruin your skin around your nails. That it be hurting around the cuticle area, so be gentle with yourself and just gently use that cuticle pusher to lift the nail, and then take your nail from your opposite hand and just lift the nail off of your nail bed. It's that simple and easy. This grapeseed oil works good. The olive oil works really good as well, as long as you have a good oil. You could even use baby oil. I've used baby oil before, and as long as you have some nice warm water, let your hands soak for about 2 minutes and they should lift off with ease. And as you can see, I'm not hurting myself. My nails are intact. My nails are not damaged or anything. A lot of people say that wearing press-on nails can be damaging because of how you take them off, but yeah, as you can see, my nails look great. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my left hand. And since I did use a different glue on my left hand, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my left hand as well. That glue held up pretty good. As you can see, the nails are a little more flimsier because I did not apply a base coat or a layer of top coat on top of this hand. If you missed the tutorial, make sure you go ahead and check it out so you'll know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that glue is also amazing and held these nails up for over a week. So I'm just going to go in with my cuticle pusher just to lift the nail up, and look how smooth it comes off. That's so satisfying to see the nail coming off. I don't know why. But yeah, as you can see, like I kind of dipped my hand back in the water before I proceeded to go back in with the cuticle pusher for my next finger. So you can kind of do that in between fingers as you're taking them off, just to keep your fingers nice and moist and oiled up so that you do not hurt your skin around your cuticle area. And there go that middle finger. Something about my middle finger, but we got it off and it came off with ease. This process is really simple. A lot of people make it so complicated by saying you have to soak your nails for 30 minutes, but really a minute, 2 minutes at the most, you need to soak your fingers, depending on how long you've had the nails on. If you're trying to take them off the same day that you put them on, you might want to soak your hands for longer. But I mean, I've had these on for about a week, so I don't really need to soak my fingers that long because they're most likely almost ready to come off anyway. So deuces to the spooky Halloween character nails. It's time to get into another set, but as you can see, the nails are very much still intact, and all I have to do is put them back in the pack that they came in until I'm ready to reuse them again. It's that simple. So this method is definitely good for anyone that likes to reuse their press-on nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You're gonna love it here. More videos to come in Vlogtober and going forward. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you know when the next video is dropping, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.